I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. If your Jeep is giving you a check engine light, the red lightning bolt light, service four-wheel drive light, and it just doesn't seem to be running right for you, this car exactly is a 2012 Jeep Liberty. One of the things that goes bad on these, and if you're just driving down the road and this happens and you can't figure out what it is, you might not have a scan tool, or if you do have a scan tool, you could hook up your scan tool and pull the codes. But if you look at your coolant temperature gauge and it's still at 0 after driving the car long enough to get it warmed up and your heat's on, 99.9% of the time you're going to be putting a coolant temperature sensor in it. So in this case, I have my scan tool hooked up. I had a P0118 coolant temp sensor circuit high. So in this case, we're going to replace our coolant temp sensor. We're going to make sure none of our wiring's messed up or anything like that. But that should fix this vehicle. This code came on maybe 2 minutes after starting this car. So I drove it, got it warmed up. Coolant temp never changed. So that's going to be our next step. And we'll let you guys know how it goes from there. Alright guys, so fortunately that fixed all my issues. No more hard starting, no more rough running conditions, check engine lights, no more red lightning bolt light or four-wheel drive service light. It seems like that fixed all of my issues. The coolant temperature works. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.